one solution to the given equation can be written as 8 minus the square root of k over 4, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So we have this quadratic equation here, 2x squared minus 8x minus 7 equals 0. And we need to find the value of k, where k is part of one of the solutions to the equation. And if we look at this solution here, this looks very familiar to the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula states that the solutions of a quadratic can be given by negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac, take the square root of that, all over 2a, where a is the coefficient of the x squared term, b is the coefficient of the x term, and c is the constant. So what we can do is plug in the a, b, and c values into the quadratic and see what k becomes. So for this quadratic here, b is negative 8, so negative 8 times negative sign is just positive 8, plus minus square root of b squared, so negative 8 squared, that's 64, minus 4 times a times c. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. But there's a negative here, so 8 times negative 7 is negative 56. And there's already a negative sign here, so then this ends up being a positive 56. All over 2a. So a is 2, so 4. So see here we have the 8, and then the plus minus, and then a 4 in denominator. So for this solution here, they just assumed a negative in the plus minus. But what you're interested in is the k value. And the k value is whatever's inside the square root. And here, what's inside the square root is just 64 plus 56. And that's just equal to 120. So the value of k is just equal to 120. That's what's inside the square root for the quadratic formula for this quadratic.